We were so thrilled to be here today with our partners from the library and our partners from AT&T to host a workshop. And we were super honored this workshop was hosted in both Spanish and English to reach as many community members as possible.
Young children, folks that are in the workforce, you need to be able to access the internet and resources that will help you succeed.
The reaction of the people participating in today's workshop was phenomenal. I mean, they were enjoying themselves, they were here with their families, having opportunity to share technology training, and then being able to walk away with the laptops was something that they had not anticipated.
These free workshops, free books, a laptop, this is amazing, and I'm very grateful for the library.
And I just love it, and they're so nice, they're so patient, they're incredible.